my door. Lock my door. Road time and now. So nothing already. Wolmer versus Jago. Matcha supposed to have the sun hot, man. Let's go and walk on that shade. Watch it. Sun turn up, bro. Sun turn up, man. You can see why I got a nice guy there. Yeah, turn up. Shit. I forget the umbrella. But heading out. Already. En route to Spanish Town. Wolmer's versus Jago. When I bus, I'm going up. Alright, people, reach a game now, yeah? Don't know a thing already. So that is the general, yeah? Matna means sports media. Big up! Look at see what I go on and now. Ball!
You're shitting!
See how the people? Someone nice man make?
Nah, we make you one out turn left foot.
I'll be a nice man. We're so peaceful, you know. Peaceful over here. Peaceful. And you come be a nice. Ball boy. No, I can't catch it. Defender fast man, tracks man.
Finish. Nah, no left foot.
Yeah.
Nah, no left foot.
Alright people, so I'm relax. Couple minutes gone now first half, because the game started late. Nothing much serious, nothing too serious so far. Game look balanced, two teams are going at each other. Probably I say a little bit in favour of Wolmer so far, but not no great margin.
Wolmer's.
Yeah man, Wolmer's not none. That's a Jago. Even
dead.
I remember a little time now I see Wolmer kick two ball off a goal so. No, I'm not yet kick off a goal. Yeah.
They settle themselves nice.
The goal look like it'll come Jago way first.
Actually, think that Wolmer's.
Think Wolmer's? Is it? Game hard, brother. Nothing much tonight.
Say it's split down the middle.
Yeah. Down the middle, people. Down the middle so far. But it's a good look. Two teams look competent. Not elite yet, but competent. I say how him did this and I said that. I referee give him. You know see first half, so we can fix it. So first half just done. On the brink of half time, Wolmer score one. See, no, which number score? Number 9. So 1-0 Wolmer's. Not bad at all. Good game of football, so I'm not lie. Two teams them a play. But I could say go for second half, you know what I mean?
T6.
Alright, so full-time people. 3-1 in favor of Wolmer's. Obviously, I think it was a good game of football. First half 0-0 and a flurry of goal in the second half. I think, personally, Wolmer's take it up a notch. Wolmer's took it up a notch in the second half. A real notch. And put in the work. But in the last 10 minutes of the game, we wide open still. Jago did try to get back in, but unfortunately, they just couldn't put away them chances. They kind of left the defense wide open, and they done their thing already. Wolmer's get the opportunity, and them score it. Good game of football still. Can say two teams them young, but it's a good start. Anyways, big up on yourself, people. Nah, I mean.